Commercial clients, they tend to focus more on the numbers. So once we show them the full calculation on the potential of generation from a system and how much savings they can make, it really is a no-brainer. For most businesses, the payback is, it can be as low as 3 years payback. On average maybe 4 or 5 years. That's a very, very strong return. So they do focus on that a lot. The high quality components definitely produce more power per square metre, so you get more bang for your buck, so to speak. Yeah, with longer term time frames, you just get more power, which equals more savings and more money.
It's an interesting one because businesses are so driven by the numbers that sometimes they just want that payback to be, under 2 years, and that is achievable if you buy cheaper components. But it's all about the longevity of the equipment and how much power the system's going to produce. So the way that we talk to businesses is to talk about how much power is actually going to be produced by their system, and the more power produced, the more money saved. And so that argument does stack up, and we've installed quite a few systems on commercial premises, and it's because they understand, right, we're going to be here for the longer term, and so therefore let's buy the good stuff, do it once and do it properly. High
quality solar is actually better value for your dollar in the long run. So the cheaper systems, yes, you may get your payback sooner, but the quality of them is poor and they fail. So you do have higher maintenance costs, and you end up replacing a system.